Everybody has their doubts, but you can't stop now. You just gotta live. You just gotta live.
Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super highly requested video from my last weight loss video. You guys have been asking me nonstop in my comments, in my DMs, on Instagram, on Twitter, all that, Snapchat. You guys have been asking me to do another what I eat in the day video, and you guys have also been asking me to do like a workout style video. The workout video is going to be coming. I just have to figure out how I'm going to film that stuff when I go to the gym. So hopefully within the next week or so I can film that video for you guys. But in the meantime, I know you guys wanted to see another what I eat in the day video. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys what I typically eat in a day. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I talk about snacks and stuff in there because a lot of you guys have asked me questions about that as well. And yeah, if you guys want to see more what I eat in the day videos, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Any requests that you guys specifically have, if you guys want to see more weight loss videos and stuff like that, I can do more of those. The workout one, like I said, will be eventually coming. I just have to figure out how I'm going to film that exactly. But yeah, all of the things and food that I talk about and recipe, if it needs a recipe, will be all listed down below, things that I eat. And yeah, in my weight loss video, you guys were asking me in the comment section, I know I got a few questions about this, if I count my calories. I do not count calories because I know myself in the past from other times that I've tried to lose weight, I was focusing way too much on what my caloric intake was, and I wasn't really getting the proper nutrients, or I was kind of depriving myself from things just because I'm like, oh, I already reached my calorie limit today, I'm not going to eat that. And that's not always the case. So I kind of, you know, guesstimate in a way what I'm actually intaking. So when I do look at serving sizes and stuff like that, that is my big thing that I'm worried about, is portion control. So I focus mostly on the portion control aspect, and I try to stick to what the serving size is on whatever that is that I'm eating. Just wanted to let you guys know about that because I know a lot of you guys asked about calorie counting and all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I eat in a day. So I'm going to be showing you what I am eating for breakfast this morning. It is a Tuesday morning. I went ahead and made some pancakes. These are the Kodak Cakes Power Cakes. They're flapjack and waffle mix. This is the buttermilk one. You just add water. It's 100% whole grains. It's protein packed. It has 14 grams of protein. I'll show you guys the breakdown. There's 30 grams of carbs in it, 3 grams of sugars, 5 grams of dietary fiber. Sodium's not too bad. The cholesterol is a little bit high for my liking, but it is overall pretty good with that 14 grams of protein. So I'm going to be having that, and it's like 190 calories, which isn't too bad for breakfast. The next thing I am going to have is this Walden Farms pancake syrup. It's calorie free, you guys. There's literally no calories at all, 0 grams of fat. There's 95 milligrams of sodium. There's no sugar, no protein, nothing. This is literally like 0, so it's a better alternative for syrup, for pancakes. And then I'm also, to get some antioxidants, I'm going to use up some of these blueberries, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. And then there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and eat my pancakes. They look super good. I'm so excited. I've been craving pancakes, and this is kind of a better way to have them. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, and yeah. Okay, so you guys saw what I ate for breakfast, and I filmed that yesterday. That's what I ate again today. And then it is around, I had breakfast around like 9, it's like 9:30ish. So it's 11 right now. I felt myself getting hungry because I worked out super hard today. So I felt myself getting hungry again. So I just sat down and had a cup of this Boom, what are they? Boom Chicka Pop popcorn. This is the white cheddar popcorn. It's 60 calories for the cup. I don't know what's going on with my throat. I just had this as a snack. I just had a cup of it. I'll usually have that popcorn, or I'll have some type of fruit or vegetable. Usually it will be a fruit for my morning snack, just because I like to try to keep all of my fruit, like high sugar things, in the morning time, so I have more of the rest of the day to kind of burn off that sugar from the fruit. So I'll usually have like a small apple, or I'll have an orange. Sometimes I'll have strawberries, but majority of the time I'll be eating an apple because I love apples. And yeah, so then that will hold me over until lunchtime. Usually I will have a snack around like noon typically, but today I worked out really hard today, so I needed a snack earlier because I was feeling hungry. And yeah, so okay, so we took the cauliflower crust pizza out of the oven, and just the edges are a little bit brown, so now we're gonna start putting on our stuff. I'm gonna put on this pizza sauce, I cut up some green pepper, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on there, and then some of these turkey pepperonis. I'm now gonna put some oregano on there, just a little bit to give it some extra flavor. And I also put a little bit of pepper on there. So we're gonna put this back in the oven for, I think it says like 6 more minutes, but we might have to leave it on a little bit longer. So the before. Okay, so I'm having 2 slices of those pizzas. I just cut it into 4s. My mom's having the other half. And then I'm also drinking a LaCroix because I love LaCroix. And that's what I'm having for lunch. So hopefully this tastes good. We're gonna find out. So for dinner, I'm having a turkey sausage link. It's like an Italian sausage type deal, but it's just turkey. I'm having this house Italian dressing on just some already pre-packaged lettuce that I just put on the plate. Added some Himalayan salt to my baked potato, and I added a very little bit of butter, just like literally the tiniest amount, and just had a baked potato. And this is just a really quick last minute dinner that I like kind of put together, but it was still very good and delicious, and I enjoyed it. Sometimes I crave something sweet. I have like an ice cream addiction. Instead of having like an ice cream sandwich, I make my own little ice cream sandwich. So I take these Italian waffle cookies. They're 23 calories per one. So usually what I do is I'll take 2 of them, and then I'll get my Halo Top ice cream. This is my favorite one. It's the chocolate chip cookie dough one. And I usually just have like 1 ice cream scoop of that. So it's basically probably like a half a cup. And it's only 90 calories, so this is what I do when I want a sweet treat, and it's super good. So if you guys hear any background noise, the dishwasher is running, so that's what you are hearing. So I just did the 1 scoop of the chocolate chip cookie dough Halo Top ice cream, and then I put this on top. And it sometimes breaks a little bit, and it's fine, but there you have it. Gorgeous little ice cream sandwich, a little quick sweet treat. I love Halo Top ice cream. It's my favorite. And I always get this one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. It's falling apart as we can speak, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then that will be it for the day. So that is going to complete my what I eat in the day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. In the comments down below, leave me some of your favorite healthy recipes, things that you like to eat for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, anything like that, any of your low-calorie snacks that you like, as well as what you guys eat when you come post gym workout or stuff like that. Do you have protein shakes and all of that stuff? Leave it down below what you guys recommend I should try try. Anything that's basically like low carb, low calorie is kind of what I mostly go for. If you guys have any other questions about what I eat in a day, weight loss, any of that stuff, leave it down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer all of them, as well as you can always shoot me a DM on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat as well. And all my social media will be linked down below. That's where you get more of the day-to-day updates from me. Sometimes I post what I'm eating on Snapchat. So if you guys want to see more of my day-to-day life, definitely follow me on all my social media. Like I said, it'll be linked down below in the description box. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Never stop dreaming. Bye guys.
Wherever I go, you're the